Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the noise cancellation on your AirPods. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your AirPods, connect it to your iPhone, and when it's connected, you just have to put them in your ears, and here you have two options to turn on the noise cancellation mode. You can either hold on one of the sticks here and you can just press it a little bit like this, and it's going to turn on the noise cancellation, and when you press it again it's going to turn it off. Or if you want to make sure that the noise cancellation is on, you can also use your iPhone's settings. So when you have your earpods in your ears, you just go to your control center, and here, as you can see, the volume control is now showing that it's connected to the AirPods Pro. And when you tap on it and hold, you can turn on the noise cancellation here by switching this. Switch to noise cancellation, or you can also go to off. This means that there is no noise cancellation and no transparency mode either, or you can turn on the transparency mode here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.